I don't know when you guys are gonna see this, but I had to pull my camera out for this double rainbow. I thought it was really cool. I thought you guys might enjoy that. But let's get into the vlog.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on.
Alright, what's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. So that was a little bit different of an intro, but I saw the double rainbow yesterday and I had to put it on film. I thought it was so cool, and it was literally right over, it looked like it was right across the street, looking for the pot of gold at the end, but I thought that was pretty cool. Anyways, ran the car Friday night. Car ran really good. I'm gonna show you some videos here in just a second. Right now I'm headed over to the dealership. Finally got the plates in for the Ram 2500. So it's registered and good to go. That is one thing I will say that is super nice about Texas. I'm sure they do in other states, but in Colorado, you have to actually go to the DMV just to register your vehicle. Even if you're buying a new vehicle, used vehicle, you have to go to the DMV, register it, get your plates and all that good stuff. Whereas in Texas, that's all taken care of at the dealership. So they work that into the loan, or if you're paying cash, whatever, and you just go pick up your plates from the dealership when it gets in. Sometimes the dealership will actually mail them to you all. Yeah, they'll also either mail them to you or you can just pick them up at the dealership. So it's super convenient rather than spending your whole day at the freaking DMV, which I absolutely hate. That is the worst thing ever, is spending time at the DMV. So we're headed over to go pick up those plates right now. I'm gonna start doing my videos a little bit different because I do want to incorporate some fitness stuff, so just kind of giving you guys a heads up. You know, YouTube, a lot of people, and a lot of my videos, you make a title, you make a thumbnail, and that's what the video's about. But I want to get back to more of a vlog style where the title of the video and the thumbnail is kind of the main part of the video, but it's also vlogging throughout the day, following me, all the other shit I do during the day. So today, kind of just give you a heads up, and then moving forward, that's kind of what it will be. Today I'm going to talk about what my car ran on Friday night. Don't wait, it's coming in just a sec. I mean, wait, it's coming in just a second. I'm going to show you a video, I'm going to show you the times. I got to get over, so hopefully this guy, nope, doesn't let me over. That's cool, we got it. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to take you guys, do a little edit while Kevin and I work out today. We're about to work out here in the next hour after, he's got 2 clients right now, I've got 1. So after that, we're gonna get a little workout in. And so I'm gonna throw a little edit on that. But yeah, let's talk about what happened on Friday. So Friday we finally had our Grudge Racing Test and Tune put on by Contagion Athletics, which is our clothing brand. If you guys haven't, you can check that out, contagionathletics.com, if you wanna get any of the stuff that we're always wearing. And you can use Dave10 if you wanna save 10%. Anyways, so we finally had that. I finally got the car out and running. First pass. First of all, let's talk about the density altitude. So the density altitude when we first got there was 7,500. It was about a little over 90 degrees. Elevation was about 3,500. I can't remember the humidity or the barometric pressure, but those all play roles into the density altitude. And essentially, just to kind of give you a comparison, if you don't know what density altitude is, just look it up. It'll give you a brief explanation. But Denver, even though they're at 5,200 feet, 5,280, because of their humidity, barometric pressure, because of the temperature, they had the same DA, the same density altitude that we did on Friday. So essentially, running my car, oh, there's a nice Evo. Ooh! Love me a good Evo. Dang, that thing's clean. Essentially, when I ran on Friday night, it was like running my car in Denver. Now, that was for the first run, so when I got there, I let the car cool down for about an hour because with blower cars, they get really hot and they do not run good when they get hot. So they cut a lot of power. They cut timing at about 140, 145 degrees with where the IATs are at. So got there, let the car sit for about an hour, ran the car, ran a 10.5 at 138.94 off of idle. So I didn't even launch the car. I just went straight from a dead stop idle and just rolled into the gas and went. I ran our good buddy Brad. We had a little side bet going. he definitely treed me, but I got a better ET and a better trap than him. I was just out there, it was just for fun, and we did have a little side bet going, but I was really just trying to get the car, just trying to get a clean pass on the car. I wasn't really focused on racing. I was really just trying to get a good clean pass on the car. So I was really happy with how the car did. It's kind of scary after your car coming back from being blown up and then running it at the drag strip. It's kind of scary, but I got the first one out of the way, ran good, and decided to wait about an hour, hour and a half, gosh, maybe even 2 hours, I don't know, it was pretty long, but I wanted to let the car cool down a little bit, get it down to like the 120 IATs, and so yeah, got the car, went up against Kevin, and we ran. I took the left lane. A drag car went before me, and I think he must have leaked something because I spun the shit out of that car. I spun the shit out of my car, and yeah, didn't go anywhere. So kind of went sideways and just let off the throttle. Didn't feel like even making the pass. Here we are at Texas Dodge again. But so he ran a 10.3. And then we decided to run again, and I took the right lane this time, and he took the left lane. And I didn't hot lap the car, but I did run it right after because after I spun through the 60 foot, I just let off and cruised through. So my car was good to go again. It wasn't hot. But on the third and final run, I was able to cut a 153 60 foot, which at our track and with that DA and everything, that's really good. I actually got the car to hook up pretty good, and so went through the 60 foot at a 153, got a 10.1 on the quarter mile, and trapped 140, a little over 140 miles an hour, which at our DA, like I said, it was at this time it was down to 6,600. I looked it up. We were down to 6,600, so still really high DA. You gotta remember, these cars that are running 9s and stuff, they're in, you know, 3,000 and under DA, so I know what the car could do at a lower DA and a better track, so that will be coming soon. But let's quit talking about it. Let me show you the video. They're from cell phones, so not the best quality, but you get the idea.
So Kevin's been running 10.3s all night.
It's like every single time.
What you got, David?
Hellcat, Charger, and Barlane. You got David down for us in the calendar. Both are sponsored by Amarillo.
So let me know what you guys think down below of what you think how the car did. 10.1 at 140 at our track is very good. Not saying I'm the fastest car out there, but for what my car is, weighing, you know, over 4,400 pounds, that's really good. I know what it'll do at a lower DA and a better track, so we're gonna find that out soon. But I just picked up the license plates for the truck, and I wanna know what your guys' thoughts are. I definitely want to do custom plates. I almost did them on the F-150, but I was like, it would be weird because it's a Ford pulling a Dodge, and so if they had matching plates, it'd be kind of weird. So I want to do something with the Sneaky, but for the Ram. And Kevin and I have come up with some some pretty inappropriate license plates having to do with the Cummins turbo diesel and the word sneaky. So I'll let you guys give me some ideas below, but I definitely want something with sneaky to match the sneaky cat. That way when we're towing it, it looks pretty cool. So shout out Texas Dodge, just got my license plates. Remember, if you guys need any vehicles, make sure you guys come over here, ask for Brandon or Luis, or if you need help in the service department, make sure you ask for Kathy. She is awesome. And yeah, so we are headed to go train, and then I've got to work out myself. I think we're gonna do a push day today because we did a pull day 2 days ago, and we did legs yesterday. So yeah, I think we're gonna do some type of push day today. I already did 20 minutes of cardio this morning, which I'm gonna show you guys that on the next vlog. I'll kind of go through some of the things I do for cardio, but I already did cardio this morning. And yeah, let's head over into this workout.
Run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone. All those nights, lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Alright guys, that's gonna conclude today's workout. Super sweaty, holy shit. So that's gonna conclude today's workout. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little edit. Like I said, gonna start doing car stuff and fitness together. Hopefully you guys like them. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at BanV39. Follow Kevin at CaliBoyKev. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.